Hi, Chris here from Traders Live. I want to do a very brief video on the Traders Club, just an overview really, some insight into the club itself. A lot of guys don't like reading long sales pitches and sales letters. The site itself, Traders Live, really hosts all the products that I'm involved in and the products that I own, like Traders Mindset, Traders Club. Traders Club, if you're here having a look at the Traders Club and you don't want to read the sales letter and you want to have a quick look inside behind the scenes and see what you really do get in the membership area, well, then that's what this video is about. Okay, so there's the whole story there. You can read more about it, but to have a look specifically at the members area, let's go and have a look and do that. All right, so here's the member page itself. You arrive here and you have a whole lot of links at the top here. These are all links to different components of the club membership, and you have some links down the side to get to the recent posts and things like that. All right, so let's have a look at some of them. One of them to start off with is a video library. This is a very comprehensive library that covers probably every aspect of trading. We have a latest video section which will give us the most recent videos so that you don't have to waste time, and if you've been through all the previous videos, you know where to find the new stuff. Basically, just in a table form to keep it simple and clean, but each of these videos is 10, 20, 30 minutes long, and I lost count already. There's well over 50 videos here, and we look at subject matter like technical analysis. Okay, we look at how important your trading system is, we look at placing stop managements, we look at taking profits, we look at how to draw Fibonacci's, we look at how to study candlesticks, we discuss certain aspects of trading like our Papa principle, which is unique to the Traders Club, and of course we delve into areas like support and resistance. These videos are very educational. They cover a lot of information, and it really is the core foundation of trading. Technical trading is something that you can spend a lot of time messing around with and a lot of time trying to figure out what is important and what is not important. Okay, we have over 35 years of trading between us, and James, who does a lot of this video material, traded for a bank. He's been a large fund manager, and he has an enormous wealth of knowledge which he shares with you, and you don't get a better foundation-based education than this. You look at subjects like psychology, that's my specialty. I have another product called the Traders Mindset, but we really look at all the reasons why traders fail, and we try and help you understand yourself better. Very important, risk and money management. There's a whole lot of stuff on money management. We really are avid believers in the balance between the risk and money management and your technical knowledge, and a couple of other fundamental aspects. But it is about balance. It's about the entire picture. You cannot trade a system, no matter how good the system is, with careless money management. Right, we look at how to set stops and how to do profit targets in relation to this. We have a number of systems on the site. We have short-term systems. We've got a couple of videos on a particular short-term system. The main system we focus on is our G7 system, and that is covered extensively, and there's a whole lot of video material on the G7, how to set it up, how to use it, how to analyze it. And from here, from this side, once you know what you're doing with the G7, then I highly recommend you have a look at James's site on the forex science side of things, all part of the same basket. You can look at the top of, as I said, of my actual site like that, and you'll be able to find it under others. Okay, and if you look at the material itself, you will see that it all leads progressively towards live trading. And James has a product where he trades with a charter group live every Tuesday and Thursday on his live account. They're in the market together, and he trains extensively in those sessions, but more importantly, he applies and trades the G7 system. So once you're familiar with it, once you've worked it out, you know what you're doing, that's the next progressive step, and we'll walk you through that closer to the time. Lots of questions and answers and other things like that. There's a whole lot of other material, a whole lot of other sections. Here, as I said to you, are the main links to the products above. There's another long-term trading system, Extreme Swing, which is an end-of-day system. And then there's areas like this, bonus benefits, where you get a whole lot of ebooks and products that are written by James, and a whole lot of other material that we managed to get from other contributors. And then if you look at some of the videos, libraries and stuff, there's a whole lot of videos, extras that we keep adding in all the time. This is new stuff. This is basically stuff over and above the existing trading library. We'll keep adding to that as we go along. And then what is next? All right, the actual G7 trading manual itself. Let's see if I've got that open. No, I haven't, but what I do have is the Forex for Learners manual. Let's see if I've got that open. Okay, this is it's huge. I don't even know how many pages it is now. It's close on 200 pages, and it basically covers everything you need to know about the basics of trading. And this is the overview of it. That's the content of the course itself, broken down into a number of different chapters, looking at why trade Forex, the Forex basics, introduction to the market, and a little bit more detailed information on the psychology of trading, fundamental analysis versus technical. All right, so all of that covered extensively, and here's an example of one of the chapters where we talk about various indicators and technical analysis. So it's pretty comprehensive, well documented, well written and well thought out by a group of, I think there were 5 of us at the time that put this together. So anything and everything you need to do with trading will be found in this, plus then you have the more advanced G7 system itself, plus you have the end of day system, and you have the short-term systems. So an enormous amount. There's special software tools as well that you can get. I haven't loaded that for you, but there's stuff like that where we have proper trade planners, and we teach you how to use them and how to set them up. So a lot of material, and quite simply a very comprehensive site. For under $100, you're not going to get more information or better quality information. All right, so if you're more interested, then go to my site, Traders Live, and you can click on the Traders Club link and read a bit more detail on that. And as I said, from there, there's a natural progression. You can come across at a later stage to other products where James is involved with the actual live trading, and you can enjoy basically getting into the market, watching the G7 being applied right in front of you by James, who is the author of the system and has traded it for a large bank and has traded it for probably the last well over 10 years, probably 15 years now already. So there you go. There's where you need to be. That's what it's about. This is just to give you some insight into what the membership is about itself. All right. Thanks, guys, and cheers.